Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kortiwada. In this video, we will learn about CSS Box Model. I have explained about CSS introduction and how to use external, internal as well as inline styles in our previous videos. Please watch that for better understanding. Here in this video, I'll use external CSS for our understanding purpose. So let me quickly jump into one more slide. So let's understand about box model. It defines the structure and the positioning of an element. Each HTML element can be defined by box model. That means every element whatever you are writing on the web page, that will have a box model. So this box model has been classified into four parts: content, padding, border and margin. And this plays a very major role in our modern web development. So let's understand how this box model helps us to make our layouts more efficient and responsive. So let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code and show you how this positioning of the elements happens and what is this padding, margin and border along with content. So let me quickly go into Visual Studio Code. Here I have created a h1 tag. So this is an HTML element. So it contains a box model. So how this box model is classified and how you can see that padding, margin, border and content. So let me go into the browser. Here let me refresh. So let me go into inspect, and inside this inspect, let me inspect this particular element. If you see this element, if you go into the computed tab in your inspect, you can see the content. The original content is having height and width, and it does not have any padding, and it has no border, whereas it has a margin of 21 top pixel and 21 bottom pixel. So like this it has been classified. So let's understand each and every part. So the content is the main content whatever it is displayed on the UI, and padding is something like the visualization where it has some set of spacing between your border as well as content is called as a padding, and these values will not be visible, but you can experience that whenever you apply some set of spacing over this padding. And you have a border. A border is a virtual space between margin and padding. So this padding and margin, you will have a border in between these two. So whenever you apply some set of border, you can see that border, and we will see each and every property how they work. And you have a margin. So margin is something like you have four sides of margin where it helps us to divide two or three elements, and it will be applied a spacing between the elements, not within the element. Border and padding is within the element, margin is something like between the elements. So that's how the box model will work. So now how to apply different types of paddings, margins and borders, so that we will see now. So let me go here, and we have a index.css which is already linked up in our HTML by using a link tag. Now what I want to do is I want to apply some set of margins, paddings for this. So first I'll explain you about padding. So now let me go with h1. As we know, this is an element selector, so I am applying directly on that particular element. So here we can apply any value by using four directions: top, bottom, left, right. So now let me apply a padding, and I want to apply the padding on the right side, and it is about 10 pixel. Let me go here and reload. So now you can see there is a padding of 10 pixel, and you can see on the element, if you go onto this element, you are able to see that particular spacing that is in green color, which indicates a padding. So I have applied a padding of 10 pixel on the right side, and you want to apply a padding of left with 20 pixel, and let me apply a padding of top 10 pixel and padding of bottom as 10 pixel. Let me save this, go here and reload. Now you can see all four sides we have applied with different values, and we are applying in four different properties. You can apply this by using a shorthand as well. I'll explain you more about these paddings in the upcoming video. For now, let's understand how to apply this. So we have a padding which is applied on this, and in the same way you can apply margin as well. So let me go here. I'm applying margin right, and the margin right is something like 10 pixel, and margin left as 20 pixel, and margin bottom as 30 pixel, and margin top as 20 pixel. something like this. Let me go here and reload. You can see all the values which has been applied as the values whatever we have mentioned in our CSS. So that's about your margin, and we will talk about this margin shorthand, padding shorthand, and how to apply different types of borders in the upcoming video in a detailed manner. So I'll divide these videos. One is applying the padding, applying margin, applying borders. So that we will learn in the upcoming video. Hope this gives you a glance and brief understanding of box model. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.